Sujata Jha, residing in Hyderabad. I am an English communication trainer. I have got the experience of overall 7 years in this field. I have taught students in CBSE schools. I have also been associated with organization who deals with the students of all age groups, be it a student, housewife, professional or other. I have also done my post-graduation in chemistry. I have done B.Ed as well. I have got the diploma certification in the field of English communication with specialization in IELTS and PTE training. I genuinely feel that speaking English has become a necessity in today's lives. So, I am determined to make you to be a fluent English speaker, and I want to add an incredible value in your professional, social and personal life. My way of teaching is that I do the need analysis of the student on some important skills like listening, speaking, reading and writing, and all different skills as well. So accordingly, I design the course for the student by categorizing them into basic, intermediate and advanced level. eLearn Sulekha provides a wonderful digital platform for personalized coaching conducted by experts in their field and aided with advanced tools and techniques. So, I would like to invite you to join my course and give me a golden chance to pave the way for your wonderful, enriching, successful journey. Thank you and have a nice day.